You know, children's books have a special magic about them. They spark our imaginations, take us on grand adventures, and teach us valuable lessons. But did you ever stop to think that these books could be so much more than just stories we read? We can use them to unlock a world of creativity, learning, and fun beyond the last page. Get ready to see those familiar tales in a whole new light, because we're about to explore some unexpected and exciting ways to use children's books. From art projects to educational tools and even emotional support, the possibilities are as limitless as the imaginations they inspire. Let's turn the page and embark on this journey together. Let's start by diving into the colorful world of art. Children's books are filled with the most vibrant and imaginative illustrations, just waiting to spark our creativity. Think of them as gateways to a world of artistic possibilities. Do you see a whimsical character or a captivating landscape? Grab your paintbrushes, crayons, or colored pencils and let those images inspire your next masterpiece. You can recreate your favorite scenes or use them as springboards for your own unique creations. Let those pages transport you to a world bursting with color and imagination. What if I told you those beloved characters could leap off the page and into your living room? That's right. Children's books make fantastic props for storytelling and dramatic play. Gather your little ones, choose a book, and let your imaginations run wild. Use stuffed animals, puppets, or even everyday objects to represent the characters and objects in the story. You can act out the scenes, create your own dialogue, or even add your own twists and turns to the plot. Now, let's journey into the world of learning. Remember, children's books are so much more than just stories. They are incredible educational resources just waiting to be explored. Think about it. They introduce us to new vocabulary, teach us about different cultures and historical events, and even explore scientific concepts in fun and engaging ways. Use them to supplement your child's lessons, spark curiosity about new subjects, or simply enjoy a family learning adventure together. Have you ever wanted to learn a new language? Well, children's books can be your passport to a world of linguistic adventures. Their simple language and engaging stories make them ideal tools for language learning, both for children and adults. Choose books in the language you want to learn and read aloud together. Point to the pictures, sound out the words, and don't be afraid to get creative with gestures and expressions. You'll be surprised how quickly you start picking up new vocabulary and phrases. Books have a remarkable ability to transport us to different worlds and help us understand complex emotions. Children's books, in particular, offer a safe and comforting space to explore feelings and learn valuable coping mechanisms. Look for books that address specific emotions your child might be experiencing, such as anger, sadness, or fear. Read these stories together and use them as a springboard for open and honest conversations about feelings. Now let's add a touch of whimsy and imagination to your living space. Believe it or not, children's books can be transformed into delightful DIY decorations. How about creating a colorful bunting using pages from your favorite books? You can also frame those vibrant illustrations to create a whimsical gallery wall. Don't throw away those old books. Give them a new life and let their magic brighten your home. Who says learning can't be fun and games? Turn those beloved children's books into interactive games that will engage young minds and create lasting memories. Plan a scavenger hunt based on a story, create puzzles using book covers, or even host a book-themed charades night. These interactive games are a wonderful way to bring families together while fostering a love for reading and encouraging creativity. From the smallest creatures to the largest ecosystems, children's books often carry important messages about environmental awareness and sustainability. Use these stories to teach children about the natural world, the importance of protecting our planet, and the impact of our actions on the environment. Look for books that explore themes of recycling, conservation, and respecting nature. Finally, let's spread the joy of reading and learning throughout our communities. Children's books can be powerful tools for fostering literacy and promoting a love of reading among people of all ages. Organize a book drive to collect gently used children's books for local schools, libraries, or shelters. Set up a neighborhood book exchange where families can swap books and share their favorites. Remember, by sharing our love for books, we can inspire a lifelong passion for learning in others. As we've journeyed together through these pages of possibilities, I hope you've discovered that children's books are so much more than meets the eye. They are keys that unlock a world of creativity, learning, and connection. So, the next time you open a children's book, I encourage you to look beyond the words and pictures on those pages. Let your imagination soar. Embrace the magic and wonder that these books hold. You never know what incredible adventures await. And if you're looking for even more inspiration, I invite you to visit me at Simona's library. There, you'll find a treasure trove of resources and ideas to help you unlock the full potential of children's books. Happy reading!